How to pin comments on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to pin comments on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram application on your mobile phone, and we can comment on Instagram, right? And sometimes we see there are pinned comments that show at the top. How to pin comments on your profile? For that, you guys have to go to your profile. So this is my profile right here, and simply open up any of the posts where you have a comment. So you can see I have a comment on this post. Let's open up the comments. So this is a comment right here. Let's say I want to pin it. To pin the comment, click on the comment right here and you will find the pin option. If you have a lot of comments that are not from you, other people, then you will get the option right here. It's super easy. I do not have any comments on this test profile that I have. So you'll just open up the comments right here and then you will find the pin option. Just click on it and then select pin, and that comment will be pinned on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.